Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to start a new series with you, Cue Cards of the Month. Yes, and this is going to help you out a lot. Every month I'm going to upload, rather Cue Cards of the Week. Okay, I'm going to share the cue cards which are common, which are frequent in that very week. So whenever you go to take your test, you will have a list of cue cards, and I'll be giving you a lot of cue cards because examiners, they have the cue cards. Sometimes they change the cue cards in months, so at least you will have a great deal of collection or a very good collection of cue cards. Now what we are going to do, basically you guys are going to send me the cue cards whenever you have your speaking test right after the exam. It's your job to send me a message on WhatsApp about your cue card and just tell me the first punchline of the cue card. For example, describe a person you like the most. Describe a book you once read. Just this punchline you got to text me, and I'll save your messages, and on weekly basis I will make some videos on cue cards. Clear? Now you have to cooperate with me because the cue cards are sometimes similar. So if I receive 100 cue cards in 1 week, so that's going to be good, and then there will be the repetition, and I'll make a cue card bank, and then I'll share all the cue cards, like 200 cue cards, and then it's going to be sure that this cue card is going to be there. And another thing, you must write your city name and your country name. That's a good idea. What we do, we collect the cue cards that these are the cue cards of Islamabad. These are the cue cards of New Delhi. These are the cue cards of Amritsar. These are the cue cards of Lahore. And then another thing, you must tell me about your exam center, British Council or IDP. So we'll separate it that in IDP this week these cue cards are common. In British Council this week these cue cards are common, and then accordingly we can just see how to answer the questions. It's a call here. Okay, so I have selected some cue cards for you which have been given very recently. So let's just go on with these cue cards. The first one is, so we will collect the data, cue card data according to the city and according to the center. City, Lahore. Center, British Council. This is the list of cue cards. City, Jalandhar. Center, IDP. Okay, this is the list of cue cards. So that's why whenever you guys send me the cue card, it must be and you must send the name of the city and the name of center so that we have good cue card. Let's just do it. Okay, well, now this first one is from Pakistan, from Islamabad. One of my students, he appeared and he was given this cue card. The topic was, talk about a person whom you would like to become similar when you grow. I repeat, talk about a person whom you would like to become similar when you grow, and you should say who the person is, what the person does, why do you want to be like him, and all that stuff. Clear? Okay, that was from Islamabad. Now I've got another cue card, and this time it is from India. So the topic of the cue card is, describe a newly built public facility in your town. Describe a newly built public facility. Now what are the public facilities? You got to see what are they. So you need to describe a newly built public facility in your town. A facility where people can go. It can be a community center, it can be a library, it can be any other club like that, okay, or a swimming pool where people can go, right? So it is going to be anything like that. So you need to describe a newly built public facility in your city, and this cue card came in India actually. So this is the second cue card. Let's go on. I've got another cue card, and this is this time from Pakistan, and the topic of the cue card was, tell about something which you brought from some other country to which you traveled in past. Okay, I corrected. Talk about something which you brought from another country when you traveled to that country and came back. So it can be anything. It can be a mobile, it can be a wristwatch, it can be a laptop, or any other, what do you say, we call them handicrafts if you bought from the other country, right? Or it can be a souvenir. You can talk about that. So this cue card came in Pakistan, and very recent. I'm just telling you the date as well. Yeah, yesterday. Okay, now we've got another one. This cue card is from Pakistan as well, and this message I received yesterday. Okay, the guy says cue card was like, describe a place you visited with friend. You should say, why did you go there? What was the place? Would you go there again, and why? Right? So these were the topics. So describe a place you visited with your friend or friends. That's the other cue card. Again, it's in Pakistan. Now see, you guys will send me the cue cards frequently. This first video is the icebreaker, and then afterwards I'll share cue cards regularly with you. Every week you'll be getting new cue cards. Don't worry about that, okay? We are going to steal all their data. Next one is from Dubai. Now I got this cue card and it is from Dubai. Yeah. So speaking cue card, this test was conducted yesterday and I got this cue card. The topic was, describe a person who recently learned a foreign language well. Wow, new cue card, latest, very hot. Oh, because it's new and fresh cue card. Cue card is, describe a person who recently learned a foreign language well. And you should say who the person is, how did he learn the language, where does he use the language, and in part 3 there were questions about that. So it's just the cue card. And then I got another one from India. The topic was, describe when you invited some friends, relatives for food. For food means for lunch, dinner. So describe the time when you invited some friends, relatives for food. You should say whom you invited, what was the purpose, and what was the preparation and all that. This was from India. So guys, I request you, those who are going to appear in IELTS test, I know there are many students who watch my videos, and then from those students regularly they appear in IELTS test. Whenever you have your speaking test, this is an obligation on you that right after speaking test you have to text me on my WhatsApp that I just had my speaking test in Lahore, British Council, and the topic of cue card is this. Or I had my speaking test in Firozpur or maybe in Amritsar, and the center was IDP and the cue card is this. This is how we are going to collect all the data. Right? So thank you very much. If you've got any recent cue cards, you can comment this video. Otherwise, you can send them directly and then I'm going to share with all my students. Thank you guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I always try to take new initiatives for you. I always try to come up with new ideas, and luckily I've got freedom because I don't have any boss on me who tells me what to do and what not to do. I am my own boss and I've got the freedom to do whatever I want to do. So I'm willing to do a lot for you guys. Take good care of yourselves. Do subscribe my channel. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. And I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well. I have a Facebook page, Asad Yaqub IELTS, where we means Shumaila and I, we update a lot of things every day. So you can just check that page as well. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.